friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will learn string and its different functions by using Java language. So first of all we need to know what is string. String is sequence of characters within double quotes, and strings are immutable in nature. That means once we declare the string, we cannot change its value on the same memory location. And we can declare string by using two ways, or we can say two types. So first one is we can use string literals. That means we can declare the string directly by using double quotes. And second one is dynamically. We can declare the string dynamically. That means we can use new keyword and initialize the string, and we can give its value afterwards. Then now we will see string functions. So first one we will see length, for finding length of particular string. Then concat. This function is used for concatenating or combining strings. Then third one we will see index of function. Index of function is used for finding index for particular character or word. Then next is character at. So we will use this function for finding character for index or particular index. Then fifth one is to uppercase, for converting entire string into uppercase characters. Then we will see to lowercase, for converting string into lowercase characters. Then replace, we can use this function for replacing string or word with new one. Then eighth one is substring, we can find the substring from the string. Now as we know these all functions, now we will see how to implement this using Java language. So we will, before start programming, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. And if you have any queries, you can ask me through comment box. I will be there for answer your questions. Now let us start programming. So this is our Java project. Within this is source folder and this is Java package. So to know how to create this project and packages, you can watch my previous video. Link is shared in description box. Now right click on this package, go to new and create class, which is our Java class. Here we can give any name. I am giving name as string functions. And don't give .java extension over here. And click here to include main method in our class and say finish. So this is our Java program, and we can start our programming from here within the main method. Now first we will declare our strings. So we will declare by using both the ways. So we will give this comment, that string declaration. This double / we will use for single line comment. So comments are nothing but the more information or metadata about our program, and it doesn't affect our code. Now here we will first declare the string by using string literal. For that we have to type string and string name. So S must be capital. String, I will give name as str1. We can give any name. This is our name. Equals to, here we will provide our string directly within double quotes. So I will provide the string as happy and space. So why we give the space, we will see it later. Now after this we will take one more string by using string literal itself. So string str2 is equals to, we will take new year. Now after this we will take dynamic string. For that we have to type string, we will take name as str3 is equals to, now we have to use new keyword here, new string. So we are initializing this string over here, and we will provide its value later. Now we will see how to read the strings. So we will give comment here, that is reading strings. Now here we will take our output statement. So type syso and control space enter, that is system.out.println. Here we will read our first string. For that we have to type first string is, and after double quotes we will give plus sign and str1, as we are reading first string. Now similarly for the second string we have to take system.out.println, and we have to type second string is, or we will type it for our understanding, plus str2. Now save the program. Again we will check length of the strings. So for that we will use length function now. Using length function. So first we need our output statement, that is system.out.println, and within this we will check our first string's length. So for that, length of first string is, and after double quotes we have to provide plus. As we are checking length of first string, so we have to provide str1 dot length function. So we can see it's here, enter. Now we will do same thing for second string. Now we will check length of second string. So for that, length of second string is, out of the double quotes we have to provide plus str2 dot length function. Now save program with Ctrl S and go here and run program. And we can check our output on console. So see, this is our first string, that is happy, and after this second string is new year. Now first string's length is 6, so and second string's length is 11. Let us count it, 1 2 3 4 5, and this space is also counted, that is 6. So and second string's length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 and 11. So that's it. Now let us see our second function, that is concatenate. So for that we will take comment as string concatenation using concatenation function. So here we need a third string, that is str3, to store our concatenated or combined strings. So we will take str3. This is initialized over here. And now after this we will use our function concatenate. So for that we will take our first string, that is str1 dot concat and second string. So we will concatenate our second string with first string and store it into third string, and we will print third string within system.out.println. So new string after concatenation is out of double quotes plus str3. And now we can also check its length by using length function. So let us check it by using within system.out.println. Length of string is plus str3 dot length, as we are finding length of third string now. Now save program with Ctrl S and let us check our output. So see, our concatenated string is Happy New Year, which is, look, this space is because of the space after happy. So we use this to separate these two words, happy and new. And we can either give the space after happy or before new. And if we see this length, so it's 17, we can simply add 11 plus 6, we will get 17. So that's the right length. Now after this we will see our next function, which is index of and character at. So we will write comment as using index of and character at. Now here we require system.out.println, and within this we will print index of. Now we will find index of new word. So we can find index for character as well. So new is plus str3 dot index of function, and here we have to provide that word which is new. Now save changes and run program. See, it's 6. So even if we find index for new word, it will show us index for n, initial character. So which is n. Now let us count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is n. So it will show us index as 6 for new. So this is index of function, and after this we will see character at function. For that again we require system.out.println, and here we have to print using function character at. So we will find character for particular index over here. So plus str3 dot character at function, and here we have to provide index, let us say 8. Now we will find character for 8. Now save changes and run program and see it's W. Now let us count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, which is W. So it will show us W. Now after this we will see our next functions, which are upper string and lower string. So here we will see uppercase and lowercase functions. Now we will convert our strings into first uppercase. So for that we require system.out.println, and here we will print string in uppercase, and here plus str3 dot to uppercase function. So it is here to uppercase. Now let us save changes and run program and see it's our output. We converted our entire string into uppercase characters. Now we will see lowercase. For that again we require similarly system.out.println, and here we will print string after lowercase, or simply we will print here string in lowercase. So now we will convert our uppercase string into lowercase. For that here add, that is plus str3 dot to lowercase function. Now save changes and run program and see it's our output, which is our entire string get converted into lowercase characters. Now next functions are string replace and substring. Now we will see how to replace the string and how to find substring from the given string. So string replace and substring functions. Here within our output statement, that is system.out.println, we will print new string after replace plus str3 dot replace function, and we have to write here the word which we want to replace. In our string we can also replace character, and here we have to provide the word through which we want to replace our word. So we will provide here great. Now save our program and run it. So we can see the string get converted into Great New Year instead of Happy New Year. Now we will see substring function. So for that system.out.println, and here we are finding substring from given string. So finding substring of string plus str3 dot substring function, and we require this second one here. So here we have to provide first initial point from where we want our substring to print, and destination point till where we want to print our substring. So we will provide 6 and 9. Now save changes and run program. And this is our substring which is new. So let us count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is space, 6 is n, 7, 8 and 9 is again space. So it will show us substring as new, which comes between index values 6 and 9. So this is the simple Java program for understanding string functions. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me through comment box. And that's all about today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.